पहले कमेंट्स ऑफ कर दो
है ना रूड
हेलो हेलो हाउ हाउ करो
हाय गाइस
हाय गाइस आज हमें
Hello.
उल्टा देखो
नहीं फोन घुमा लो
we can so very warm good evening to everyone and hello आज हम आपको उल्टा देख रहे हैं आज आप हमें उल्टा देखो So we are going live today with the topic of discussion, very hot topic. I'm going to do my makeup with the affordable luxury products and all the, what do you call that? Cheaper products or cheaper cosmetics.
Affordable cosmetics.
Affordable, luxurious cosmetics. And she's going to entertain you by applying makeup with an expensive product. So this is Tanu.
हाय गाइस
And this is Mehak Quatra. So we are today teaching you live, and the live tutorial topic I have already told you. So before going live, we'll be sharing with you all, like all the products are available to shop at Miba Cosmetics. And let me just pin my handle here. Again मुझे गर्दन टेढ़ी करनी पड़ रही है. So by the time Tanu, over to you.
Yes, so today we are going to show you guys that how you can achieve a really good makeup look using affordable products. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा जो inexpensive products होते हैं वो अच्छा perform नहीं करते हैं या आप उनके साथ अच्छा result नहीं ले सकते हो, right? We always believe that you should have a good mixture of both kind of products in your vanity. Having a really good and expensive product will make you feel really good, and उसको use करने के टाइम आपको हमेशा से बड़ा ना खुशी सी होती है कि यार this is something that I splurged on. But that doesn't mean if you cannot buy an expensive product you cannot do makeup, right? So we are going to show the performance of two products which are very similar. Right, and आप देखोगे कि उन दोनों की performance ही बहुत अच्छी है.
Like we have our knowledge in all this session, and you can totally, enjoy it. And जैसे आपको हमेशा रहता है. And today's good news is we will be sharing our live session from today. And where you can see our live session
on our YouTube channel, Mehak Quatra Official.
Yes,
so
Mehak Quatra Official
people.
is my official YouTube channel, and there you can see our today's live session, so that you can remember all the products what we have taught, and so that you can see our genuine discussion. Instagram पे तो हर कोई करता है, but आज हमने कहा चलो कुछ
YouTube पे because also a lot of
करें.
people used to say कि आप save करो इस session को, and I don't feel like everybody wants to go and watch back on Instagram.
Yeah.
It's better to share on YouTube, और वहाँ पे आप easily comfortably सारे discussion देख सकते हो.
Yes.
Right.
So, look at the views. It's 12:75
that's
already.
Amazing.
So let's start off with our tutorial and
Yes.
the session. Affordable versus expensive,
Yes.
and she's totally expensive. So I'm switching off the comments for now because you guys will be unable to see our tutorial, and the screen is quite wide now. So yes,
We're going to start with a basic skin.
Yes, basic skin prep, and my skin prep is Cleano Vibes. What's yours?
Mine is, should I start with the primer and this?
Now you can't ask me in the tutorial. I can see that you haven't got your cleansing
I
wipes
already
there.
did.
You can use mine. Keep
Okay,
it.
Thank you. Alright.
So this is my favorite cleansing facial wipe brand. I totally love it. So
Especially this one, micellar water.
Yes, the
Right.
micellar water one is my very favorite and dearest to me. And one more thing, guys, this video is totally non-sponsored video. Not even a single company have
Paid us.
Paid
a
us.
Cent.
Yes,
Or sent
single
us any
cent.
goodies also.
Yes,
Right?
there is no goodie sent to us by them. So they all are very conjuice.
I know, right? But no, we genuinely want to educate people about
yes,
you know how you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can still get good products. It's just that आपको देखना पड़ता है कौन सी चीज आपके लिए सूट
And by the way, how's my new red color?
है ना?
This
Flaming
is
hot
not
red.
This is not flaming red. This is kind of burgundy. बेचारा dark थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, but oh my
नहीं,
god.
but बहुत अच्छा लगा. I absolutely love it. It's so trendy, you know.
So now my skin is prepped and you can see how dirty is this vibe looking and ठीक है थोड़ा सा मेकअप भी था ज़्यादा नहीं था. So this is the bare face of Mehak Watra.
I have my eye makeup आज सुबह से. I'm not removing that because बहुत गंदा होने वाला है. Right?
Perfect.
I'm just going to.
But I
touch up.
love your today's makeup.
Right?
Eye makeup look.
All thanks
and that,
to Kefi.
yeah, and you can check out her tutorial on Miba Cosmetic Instagram handle. So
I'll
I'm
be
going to
uploading
start
to
up
you
with the first, and this is my Bioderma moisturizing cream. So the cleansing of face is done, and I'm quickly jumping on to my toner. I don't have right now, so I can use my MAC.
I am actually going to use Perennes Eternal Glow Nectar Dry Oil Serum.
So you can use your, this is actually prep and prime spray. So I generally use my MAC Prep Fixer
I can
as
also
a
use
toner.
this, right? It's full of skincare ingredients.
Guys,
and
मेरा
everything.
toner देना एक बार restoration का.
This is, you know, prepping priming spray with niacinamide coconut water. So
Which is
it's-
very good for you.
I know,
Niacinamide, yeah.
Exactly, because I have oily skin and excess sebum production.
Yes.
So niacinamide is really good product for me. So I'll use this one then.
I'm waiting for the toner
This smells so good, yeah.
and my toner from Perrine Cosmetics. So, and I use it a lot. You can see. Will judge. From this bottle इतना ही रह गया बस. And why this tester is written over it because नहीं तो ये मेरे कमरे में से सारे उड़ के मेरी academy में चले जाते हैं. So yes, this is my toner.
So what are you going to use for moisturizer or oil actually?
So yeah, if it has been my skincare regime तो मैंने ना roller लगाया होता है and then I would have put lot of oil also. So yes, my toner is done. Now I'm about to put my moisturizer, which is Bioderma and very reasonable. I should not use the word cheap, but this one is very reasonable and it is made in France. And
It's a well-known company actually.
and I'm extremely dry skin, so there we go.
I'm oily, so I'm actually just going to skip to Eternal Glow Nectar Dry Oil Serum. And I'm not going to use a moisturizer वरना मेरा skin बहुत oily हो जाता है underneath makeup और एक घंटे में बहुत सारा oil
And this is my moisturizer, and it seems I'm doing fast, but I keep my hands very gentle on my face, and there we go. I have this cute little tester from the company. Let me show you. So my forehead is mostly dry. It remains dry because I drink a lot of tea, coffee. I'm a caffeine person.
Same.
But you remain oily, है ना?
Always. I don't know why. But yeah, this is a really good oil. ये बिल्कुल oily नहीं करता, but it does give good glow.
Now
on
you
my
can
face.
see my skin
Hmm.
started glowing, man.
Yeah.
I love this moisturizer because this is written over it. It's for normal to very dry sensitive skin. And I'm dry and I'm sensitive, so I love this moisturizer.
Super good.
Show me your moisturizer.
Yeah. So I have Embrolis and I like to use this. ये actually बहुत अच्छा है. Lot of people ask if this is good for oily skin or not.
My moisturizer. My moisturizer.
People ask if this is good for oily skin or not. It's super good.
कितना
the
relaxing
only-
लगता है ना जब comments off किए होते हैं.
है ना?
Yes. I'm
It's-
very happy.
You just have to.
Guys,
use
you only
this
force
really.
us to, push
I
off the
know,
comments.
I know, it's very sad actually.
Yeah.
So if you have oily skin, you can definitely use this moisturizer. You just have to take a very little amount. It's perfect, really good for oily skin also. It's a multi-purpose product and like literally anybody can use it. If you have dry skin, like you have dry skin, तो आप बहुत सारा use करते हो. मैं ऑयली हूँ तो मैं बहुत
This is my
थोड़ा use
affordable. This is my affordable one. This is my expensive one.
करती हूँ। हाँ, it's all products are all of MK only.
ये
no?
मेरी cream ये मेरी cream use कर रही है from my studio.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. But on regular basis I use Bioderma as my regime. You can see. Look at the
because
glow.
it's so hydrating, no?
So I can skip my oil over it, but still I'm going to teach you. You should put oil. So oils are very necessary, and since the weather is also
Very dry.
it's call for the weather, you know.
हाँ.
So अभी तेरा oil अगर हो गया मैं oil पे चलूँ.
हाँ जी.
I am using my affordable oils, and these two oils I love it so much. And this one is from Fashion Girl, and this one is from Milagro Beauty. And this is 24 karat gold, and the same it says platinum 24 karat gold. So I'm going to use this. मतलब मैं इन दोनों में से कोई भी पिकअप कर लेती हूँ. It's like ऐसा कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है, but both are in the range of like 1000 to 1100 to 1500. And I actually love this kind of glow. So when my clients also ask for this thing कि मैम ग्लोई मेकअप कर दो या dewy skin दे दो, वो dewy skin आती है ऐसे. You got to put moisturizer on the top of moisturizer. You should put your oils. You should play with beauty oils. You should not miss it. So show me your beauty oil.
I used Perenne's Eternal Glow Nectar.
And I used Fashion Color. This is in the range of $1,000 only.
This is, I think,
Rabat.
2000 something. I'm not
This
sure.
is around 1800 to 2000. Yeah.
That's
This is on 10% discount.
only at Neva Cosmetics.
Yes. So I'm done with my moisturizer and the oil. Now I'm going to put up my primer. Where's your primer?
Okay, I'm using YSL. This is actually her favorite primer as well.
My luxurious brides,
Yes.
they wear it. And for me, I can go a little cheaper.
Affordable.
So, affordable.
Yes.
Yeah. For me, I love to go affordable.
Exactly.
So I love my Forever 52. This is moisture base, pre-makeup base. Basically, it turns my skin matte. I use over my wrinkles.
This
So
one has some
there are like
glitter
3
specks also
wrinkles,
in it,
very
right?
bad wrinkles. Yeah, it has glitter particles. So she's using YSL Touche Glow, and I love my Forever 52 primers.
This is really good for especially blurring out those pores.
And
fine
you know
lines.
what? What's the difference between these two? They are like identical, guys, but the rates are not identical.
Not at all.
The prices, iska price is around
900. 900.
and iska price is around 36 or plus 3600 plus. So the prices are not identical, but this is affordable luxury.
This is
I love it.
really good.
And none of the brand has sponsored this
We
video.
genuinely like these products. We've tried them out.
हाँ मैं वही बता रही हूँ which I genuinely like. So you can do your self makeup at your place, and then you can bless us. कुड़ियाँ ने बड़ा ही बढ़िया सिखाया.
Whatever you can buy, if you think you can afford this, then definitely
So
it's totally worth
if
the
some
hype, right?
if some actress is watching us, they can go for the expensive
YSL,
one.
right.
Yeah. So if
Wैसे
some
भी करवा चौथ है, you can
Yeah.
tell your husband to buy something.
Yeah, you can mix
luxurious
your
for-
product line. Like you can shop some of the affordable luxury and some of the expensive one. You make it more luxurious and just mix and match your kit. You can do that.
What do you think people should
Even that's a good
spend
idea.
their money on? Like base products or their
Skincare.
skincare?
I love doing skincare.
So buy expensive.
So when
skincare.
your skincare is then you should buy expensive skincare and the good one, the skincare on which you can really rely. You should shop that. And
Okay.
now
This-
primer is done, and another good primer which I would always recommend to all the girls out there, those who are watching me, either for the self makeup, either to all the salon persons those who are actually watching me and they love watching me. So for them, the Ordinary high adherence silicone primer, you can see इसकी हालत बुरी की हुई है मैंने, and this one is dirty, so I really use it. अब ये जब निकालूंगी तो वैसे it's clean still. But this is Ordinary Adherent Silicone Primer, and this one is Moisture Base from Forever 52.
Right.
Available at Miba Cosmetics.
All of the products that we are using today are actually available at Miba Cosmetics.
So now let's start. My skin is primed and I'm super glowing already. So I always start up with the before doing starting up with my base. I always want my skin should look this
I
dewy.
feel like मेरी skin थोड़ी matte होगी. I feel more comfortable with that.
You feel more comfortable. That's why you have that YSL.
Exactly.
And I
totally
want
blurred out my pores and everything.
Yeah, and that's why that is called blurring primer.
Exactly.
And I totally like more greasy formula. So why? Because I'm about to start my foundation now. So I'm a dry skin person, so I'm using minimal coverage foundation, which is I always love and trust. Faces Canada Second Skin Foundation, and I'm in shade number 02, which is natural.
I'm actually
You can
going
see
to mix
the
two
dirtiness
foundations.
of the foundation. You can mix two.
I'm going to mix two because ना ये मेरा shade है ना ये मेरा shade है. So I'm just going to mix two. This is MAC Studio Fix. This is
Guys,
NC40.
I feel now today you're super happy. You can watch this video live on our YouTube channel.
Exactly. And
We'll be putting up today.
Today? Okay, we'll
We
put it
can-
up today. No, we have another video coming today.
Yes.
So
That's
maybe
how I
tomorrow.
have done my mother-in-law's makeup.
Yes, so stay tuned for that.
Yes.
So this is Huda Beauty's Creme Brulee shade number 150G, and this is lighter for me, and this is MAC Studio Fix NC40. This is kind of my skin tone but kind of yellow, so I'm going to mix both of the foundations. But before doing that, I'm actually going to use some Tarte tan shade in order to hide the pigmentation, because I have some of that and I like to do that before putting my foundation on. फिर foundation लगा के थोड़ी even coverage आ जाती है.
So this is my favorite Glamoholic brush, limited edition.
Right.
So I always love to blend my foundation so evenly.
I like
It
to
blends
mix my
my-
foundations.
It blends my foundation so evenly and so quickly. That's the beauty about using Glamoholic brushes.
I know we've been using them for so long.
It's
It's
been-
been खराब भी नहीं होता.
3 years now.
I know. Just need to take good care of your
But
brushes.
these ones I'm using are the limited edition one because they are duo fiber. You can look at the color.
And they also just came out like a few months ago.
Huh? A month ago.
A month ago. Last month? It feels like such a long time ago.
Hey, I think yes, September.
So September was last month, right?
Yes.
Okay,
this is October.
which one do you want to use? I'll take the other one then. For your concealer.
I'll be okay with this.
Okay.
So this was my Glamoholic limited edition brush, and the color is gone almost. So now I'm on to the concealers. Where's
So,
my
this
concealers?
This is
only
my
with-
favorite brush in our brush kit. Concealer brush.
Yes.
Because it's so
Concealers.
good.
मेरा वो देना number 1 और 5 ये बाहर ले गए थे.
कौन सा वाला?
मेरा forever. They need that for
अच्छा.
testing purpose.
Okay. The concealer. अच्छा मैंने रखा भी था basket में.
So mine is shade 1 and 5. You have to take the rest. So these are my favorite concealers. So they say it's complete coverage concealer from Forever 52, and I totally love using them. Let me show you why. So this is dark color. I'm in shade number 05, and dark color actually hides your
That's what I did also.
darkness.
I used
तू कौन सा
tan.
लगा रही है?
Tan.
You're using tan from
Tarte Cosmetics.
Tarte
Tarte
Cosmetics.
Shape
This is Tarte Shape Tape.
Yeah. पर मुझे फाउंडेशन के नीचे कंसीलिंग करनी ज़्यादा बेटर लगती है. I don't know why it works better for me this way.
And I open my mouth while putting concealer, so please do.
I open my mouth while putting the
Let me just do
mascara.
it this way.
The mascara. I'll put up my open.
So
my
now
mouth.
I'm putting the shade French Vanilla on the top of it just to highlight. That's it. So this is shade and my beauty blend cutie pie from Milagro. पहले मैं देखूँ
Yeah.
जरा अपने वाला brush nose पे थोड़ा लग गया था.
ये बड़ा अच्छा ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है.
हाँ, this has a suede finish, so it picks up excess of the product while not
Also इसका फिनिश डिफरेंट है.
while not patching my rest of the foundation. मतलब ये उड़ा नहीं देता प्रोडक्ट को. जैसे बाकी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर क्या करते हैं? They waste most of the product, like they eat your product.
Still a little bit white for me.
And now I'm okay. And I am now good to go.
Your base is already done, so it's so easy to do.
I just have to take care of my dryness and rest thing it's done. And I can put more, I think.
The concealer
The lighter shade.
to highlight.
Yes, to highlight my under eyes area. So yesterday night I ate carbs, so I am like bloated and eyes are
I don't
puffed
like this
out.
brush. I need my Glamour Olive brush.
And
You are too done with your base. What the hell?
I'm first.
But I'm first with eyes because I didn't remove them.
Ishmat Rabbit.
Right.
So my base is done. Now I'm about to set my base. This is with my favorite fashion color powder.
I'm going
Which
to be
is
using Laura
again-
Mercier once I blend out my foundation.
आप बहुत expensive use कर रहे हो मैडम. मैं बता रही हूँ.
आपने मुझे आइडिया दिया था. Actually आइडिया मैंने दिया था, आपने suggest किया था I do the expensive one. So I
You know why? Because people they really feel कि मैं शायद महंगे products ही लगाती हूँ, but originally I always prefer affordable luxury. So I prefer using. I'm in the shade number 05 from Fashion Color. So I
almost
love
like
their.
translucent, right?
This is translucent. Totally translucent, not almost, like this one is totally translucent and you can see my base is done. So I love this powder, and the other one which I prefer is from Maybelline Fit Me, which is again a good loose powder. But once guys आपने ये use करना शुरू कर दिया ना, you will leave the Maybelline Fit Me
ये
one, trust me.
same it happened with me because मैं पहले Maybelline Fit Me ही use करती थी.
हाँ.
But
They
then I
have
started
their-
using this. ये
yeah.
better है because ये ज़्यादा finely milled है.
Yes,
Right?
that's
वो
true.
heavy कर देता था मेरे face को because I like to bake my face. Right? और उससे face heavy हो जाता था. This one doesn't make my face look very heavy or cakey or anything.
So now my base is
I'm
done.
using Laura Mercier translucent
Close
powder.
up to you.
All of the products are again available at Niva Cosmetics.
So now why I'm doing this dab, I am picking the excess product or excess powder on my face, and that's the technique. And you know what guys, I love to teach, love to teach it.
You were a teacher na before becoming
Yes.
a professional makeup artist.
Yes, I was an engineer teacher. 005 is my shade, and this
Engineer
is like
teacher.
translucent powder, goes on many skin tones. So most of you and me are in the shade 05.
Even I use the same shade.
Even she uses the same shade,
So-
and we totally love this. और इतना महंगा भी नहीं है कि अगर ये खराब भी हो जाए, गिर भी जाए, खराब तो क्या ही होता
नहीं
है,
होता
हाँ
है।
तो अगर गिर भी जाए या कहीं स्कैटर भी हो जाए तो इसका दुख नहीं होता, दर्द नहीं होता, हाय मेरा पाउडर वेस्ट हो गया। That's the best thing about using affordable luxury कि आपको ये फील नहीं आती ओए होए खराब हो गया या ये हो गया, चोरी हो गया, चोरी बहुत होते हैं आजकल।
I know.
Ask me.
I know.
So now I'm about to use my favorite powder contours and I am
looking okay.
yes perfect. तेरा contour कहाँ है?
Fenty.
Okay. So I have my favorite powder contours because on regular day basis I prefer using contours powder one only.
Which one? Which shade will go on me?
I don't prefer putting cream contours.
Mocha or suede? Which one?
Mocha. So this is my favorite Forever 52 palette. You can look at the halat of this palette. This is
Super loved.
super loved. Yes.
At MK Academy, right? MK Studios and
Studio.
hair also.
I totally love using this palette and
Okay, so I'm going to take this.
so firstly my jawline, so the darker portion I always use the dark colors to contour my jawline and so to the downward motion and now I'm going to use the second and mixing second and third number.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it.
You put your glasses and do it.
No, I can see. ऐसी बात नहीं है.
I
You're a
was looking
professional
there.
person, no? I'm just self-learned person. जिसने YouTube videos देख के सीखा है.
नहीं हमारी वीडियोस देख के नहीं सीखा है।
आपकी stories देख के सीखा है.
Yes, I used to teach a lot in my story. आजकल मेरा ब्राइडल सीजन है तो थोड़ा कम टाइम मिलता है, but today also I have put my get ready with the MK in my stories. You must watch out that one also. And for this tutorial you will have to wait. अगर अभी पॉसिबल हुआ तो तनु दीदी अभी पोस्ट कर देंगी
हाँ, I'll do it.
because people must be waiting today. No, we have put the shout out and then you can wait for my mother-in-law's
Video
Video,
will be
like-
going up at 9 p.m. today.
yes, where I have shared how to do a mature skin makeup look and
That's a really nice video. उस दिन film करके भी बहुत मजा आया था.
and you
Right.
should actually you will hear the conversation between me
I
and
know.
my mother-in-law
It was
and
so much fun.
yes, and how we guys are in reality. You should check it out. You must check it
There's
out.
some really good tips about doing makeup on mature skin
And
also.
actually that's a gift to me from her. Like वो मान गई यार करवा चौथ वीडियो करने के लिए. That's a big thing.
Okay, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use Forever 52 a little bit because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा depth उससे ज़्यादा आता है.
देखा affordable काम आता ही है भाई साहब.
Definitely. I'm just going to, do a little bit.
So now is my blush time. You
What?
through with it फिर हम blush करेंगे.
Just a minute. I don't want कि वो ना contour.
So we like sharper contours.
I know. And making the mota nose patla.
We are so pro in that.
I try to be. I mean. Okay, I'm done.
So now I'm going to put my
O2.
O2 blush. यार. So सुनीता मेरा नंबर 1 जाएगा ना. आज मैंने पिंक पहना हुआ है.
I am going to use Tatius Pro
इसका नंबर 1 दे रही है, नंबर 3 है.
Glow and Blush.
जल्दी जल्दी.
ये बहुत अच्छा पैलेट है, लाइक स्पेशली मेरे लिए जो
मेरा फेवरेट है.
है ना, हम लोग
Because
जैसे-
that all in just a small little space.
Exactly.
Not you don't require much of the space. So.
You want this? अच्छा, you're using the new blush brush. I'm using Glamolic, the original one.
Yes, I'm using the limited edition one. I think मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़नी वैसे limited edition वाली.
अच्छा आप
So this
लिक्विड
is
फ्लश
हाँ मैंने वो उससे करना ना blend. So this is pink and I'm using Otro shade number 01 and
देखो
I'm
कितना फर्क
just
है.
dabbing with the tick, 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 tick. And you know what? This is dupe of
NARS orgasm.
so
उसका
I
भी
love to
liquid
go
blush है.
affordable. इतना महंगा हर समय नहीं खरीदा जाता. I'm with you guys. I'm with you.
I'm with those people as well. I'm using your products.
नहीं मैडम आज आप क्वीन हो आज आप महंगा यूज कर रहे हो.
All because of you, you know. But
नहीं.
yeah, ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये वाला अभी शेड लगाया मैंने.
This is Tarteus Pro and the best thing about this palette it has all the bridal shades also and the party makeup shades like the lighter version we use for the parties
highlights
and
also.
this one we use for the engagement and bride.
Yeah.
Look at my
So
cheeks
good.
also
And
and,
this
plus
one.
इसका highlighter is awesome.
I know, right? मेरा मन कर रहा है ये वाला highlighter लगाने का. I'm actually going
So
to.
see I have gone slowly and I'm just doing the patting motion. Look at my cheek.
इतना natural flush लग रहा है ना.
Yes.
That's
this
one thing I love about
blush
this.
blush number is 1 from since I'm wearing pink at the bottom so I have
Okay, this
touched
highlighter is so good from.
and this
Tarte's.
blush is so awesome. And by chance guys आपसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग जाए तो आपने कुछ नहीं करना. You just have to pick up your beauty blender and just tap tap tap.
So we have Forever 52 के beauty blenders in stock at Niva Cosmetics.
Yes.
And they're so good.
And
Really nice.
so spongy. They're really nice.
I know.
So this is Otro liquid blush. I love it. And that one was in the shade 03 which was peach but I preferred pink today. So
Because of the hair, right?
pink yeah because of my this burgundy tone and I'm also wearing baby pink at the bottom. So my that's what. So I'm ये पकड़ना. So I'm setting my
Blush.
setting my blush since it's a liquid but it has been set already.
You
है ना?
don't actually need. थोड़ा
It's
highlight
just
करो
हाँ,
उसको.
it's just that I'm going to highlight with my favorite shimmer brick from Fashion Colors. So this is how I.
For my blush and highlight, I use Tarte's Pro. Highlight piece में इसे use किया blush भी and it's really good. You don't need
इसका
to करो.
glow बहुत sexy है. So I just love it.
बड़ा natural सा flush आता है. Champagne सा shade आता है. Really nice.
Yes.
Okay.
I love it.
I know, it's really nice.
Affordable luxury, must go for it. You will never have repent and you will never repent, you know, once it's MK's recommendation.
That's true.
So first my Glamourholic brushes. Now I'm going to use
The eyes.
नहीं, I'm going to do eyes plus मेरा highlighter तो रहेगा cheek. Little flush of the highlighter. So this is my favorite highlighter, Ilu 2.
Ilu?
इसका ये देखो code है Ilu02.
Ilu.
So this is ILU002, the code from Forever 52.
Song याद आ गया बचपन वाला.
Ilu है.
क्या है?
Look at the super bomb glow.
Yeah, it's really nice. मेरे को शैम्पेन पॉप क्यों नहीं दिया?
तू कहाँ लेके नहीं आई?
नहीं, but that Tarte's Pro वाला highlight is enough for me because मेरी
That
already
one palette is like super enough.
more than sufficient.
Sample pop भी सारी दुनिया लगाते हैं but I really prefer.
I love this glow on the cheeks right now.
Look at the glow on my cheeks.
The performance of the products have been very similar. Right?
Yes, that's what we are discussing, main thing. And this is just around 1400. And now
You want to do the eyes?
lips.
Okay.
So
First
my
lips?
favorite lip combination.
Do we have a lip pencil for me?
Yes, you have it. That's which one do you want to go for? Browns.
Any, whichever. I love going for browns.
And then you have the mini.
Strawberry.
This is your favorite spice.
Yes.
So mine is the Rosebud from Fashion Color and
This is MAC and the shade is Spice. and this is a shade for me, I guess.
So I love to, and
This
it's not
was the
I
shade.
love to, it has to be like this. Like you should always fill your lip, all the lips, you know,
With the
with
lip liner.
lip liners, lip pencils.
I think this was the shade I was wearing on my wedding,
Yes.
right? मैंने भी लगाया and I instantly recognized it.
I just love two lip pencils from MAC, which is Soar and Spice, and the one you're putting is Spice. And the one I am using is the Rosebud from Fashion Color, and I think this is in the range 300 or something.
This is so
And
smooth.
made in Germany. The formula is extremely good and extremely soft or buttery. The formula is very buttery, I would say.
I agree. I use इसका oak brown.
I always use the
Super.
one shade. This is 09, and totally I put a lot of red, I put burgundy. So I have just this lip pencil color in my stock, and I keep on changing this the top colors. So now is my lip crayon from,
ये आपके बालों के साथ exactly match हो रहा है, right?
and I am using the, मैंने ना उसको दिखाया भी इनफैक्ट, जो मेरे हेयर कलर, मुझे क्या, मुझे ये वाला बर्गंडी कलर चाहिए,
हाँ।
इसलिए इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है डार्क वायलेट. सो आई एम लाइक, मुझे ये इसका टिप वाला ही कलर चाहिए.
I'm using Huda Beauty's
And this
Trendsetter.
formula is super buttery. So this is like lip crayon.
I'm using this
Huda Beauty का कौन सा है?
Trendsetter.
Nice. कितनी शांति हो गई.
I know. बाहर हमने बोल दिया था ना, लाइट जा रहा है, शांति चाहिए.
So my favorite shade,
Wow.
burgundy.
This is
It's
such a
not,
good
the shade name is dark violet number 12.
I feel like putting a little bit of dark liner. I'm cheating again. Sorry.
ये कौन सा एग्जाम है? You can cheat. You can use my affordable luxurious product. I don't mind. So loving my lip shade. This is from Fashion Color and made in Germany formula. So I totally trust this brand for, especially for lip colors. I totally love it. And their lip pencils and their eyeshadow palettes are like super bomb. Awesome.
Which is next what we're coming at, right?
Yes, I'm going to use their eyeshadows now, and my lot of mascaras. So the eyeshadow palette which I totally recommend is this one, ES15, or the item code, I don't know, their newly launched eyeshadow palette. I totally love this. Is a vivid eyeshadow HD palette from FC. Again, look at the variety of shades, and in the range of 540.
That's
Super,
unbelievable.
yeah, super affordable shade.
Very
Sorry, super affordable price. And this is their second next. Actually, my favorite go-to palette is this shade 01. But recently, I have got this palette, and I'm like totally loving it. In the morning,
For
I
festive
have
season.
Yes, in the morning, you know what I've done it. I've used this color and made it my blush. ये वाला.
Nice. That's a very good
I've made
idea.
this color as my blush. Now I'm going to use it over my lid. इसमें already थोड़ा सा base है, so let me show you how I'm doing my quick eye makeup.
I'm
So
going
eye
to just
tutorial.
smudge a little bit on my lower lash line.
So yes, now I'm looking for my blending brush.
I'm using Huda's Nude palette. I'm going to take a few darker shades here and just going to blend niche eyes.
So the first thing I'm going to use is my baby pink shade from the last line of the palette, and look at it, just the one stroke,
Nice.
just one
Very
stroke.
pigmented, right?
And you know what? I've not put any eye primer. My eyes, I've spread my eyes right in front of you. I think my brush was not clean. Yes, now this looks super amazing.
लो लैश लाइन स्मज करके कितना अच्छा लुक आता है ना.
I know.
A lot of people are scared of doing that, but it's a really good step that you can do to complete.
Now I'm going a little more brighter with the eyes. I'm playing with more pinky tones. And the eye makeup is like done. So what should I put on my eyelid color? So I've done a soft smoke by using these two shades.
do this pinky shade.
Yes, I should do this because मैंने वैसे भी champagne color पहना. Look at this one line. Ooh, I need close-up mirror.
This?
Small mirror. So I am totally in love with this eye look. Oh, done.
Wow.
Nice. So this is almost like very buttery formula, super pigmented. So for the eyeshadows we use the term super pigmented. That means it's just a one pickup and the color payoff is really good. So yes.
This is such a good palette for any beginner who wants to like try out
Yes.
makeup and all. And also
So all the shades and all the things which I've taught you today is for this is what I was saying ki they can learn self makeup tutorial from this YouTube, and I really request you live in this live session, please upload it today.
okay ma'am. We'll do it today. अब तो मैं करके जाऊंगी. अब तो मेरी इज्जत दाव पे है.
Because you know what, after once we get over, people come and girls start DMing me
दिमाग
for
खा
the
जाते हैं. मैम ये क्या था, मैम वो क्या था.
because फिर उनको it's easy for them to remember. So now I'm using these two darker shades. Let me go closer. These two darker shades for my lower lash line, and this is totally optional if you want to use it. And I totally
I'm tired.
it's not easy.
I know.
It's not easy to do
What
that.
brush are you using?
This is again from Glamoholic. I'm
अच्छा, the
using-
same brush I think which I was also using.
हाँ.
It's such a good. मैंने भी
Yes.
नीचे पूरी blending इसके साथ ही की है. है ना?
Mostly मेरी blending इसी के साथ होती है. And I make corners using this brush number 7. Now I'm using a little darker. And I feel I don't require now liner thing because अब मैंने नीचे smoke out ज़्यादा कर लिया, so I totally don't require liner. I can fill my eyes using kajal. Yes. So that's the final look.
Really nice.
And
You just use that single eyeshadow palette, right?
yes, this is what I was telling. I'll tell you again what all products I've used. This is my eyelid color, and these two, the waterline, dark colors in the waterline, and these two lighter pinks was for this blending
and
crease
all.
areas. Yeah, and almost like done. So I just love this palette. This is super pigmented and super colorful. And plus color payoff is really quick. So now I just need my kajal, and again I'm using the one, you can use Plum Goodness kajal, and plus Calabar kajals are really good.
Okay, so there's a Calabar kajal, just smoky.
Yes, I am using the one from Fashion Color, and there's no shade. This is like super waterproof pencil.
उनके eye looks कितने opposite हैं. I have gone completely smoky and you are so pinky and
Yes.
fresh, right?
And sassy.
Nice, fresh and sassy. You know, your hair have made you like 1,000 times more sassier.
Yes, I know that. I'm every day getting the same
sassy.
compliments.
Sassier and sassier.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So I've got my brows thing. Where is it?
Which one?
Brows. I want to fill my brows. So okay, I can't see brow thing.
अब कौन सा वाला लेके आए हैं?
मैं भूल गई. But anyhow, I can go tricky.
You can go for a quick trick.
Yes, quick trick. It's just like in the another palette, I have this darker brown shade. So I'm going to use this shade.
You know what? I think I'm going to go for the same thing. I'm going to take Glamaholic brush, take a brown shade.
And I'm using my brush number 9. I think even she's using the
The
same.
same one, yeah.
Because मेरे kit में हमेशा brush number 9 ही पड़ा होता. So I am literally filling my brows with this brown color eyeshadow, and look at the difference. देखियो.
Nice.
So I have used this brown. तो ये यूज कर ले.
हाँ यही कर रही हूँ. मेरा वाला आई शेडो पैलेट ये था ना, इसमें कुछ डार्क नहीं है.
So I have used this palette. This is like versatile palette. These are actually very versatile. And just because they are super pigmented and super quick and super reasonable, which is like 540 is very
इतना तो तुम
reasonable.
कॉफी पी लेते हैं फिर उसके बाद.
Yeah, I know. Super good price. So I'm done with my brows. Now last thing, I am left with my mascara.
Same.
So that was the palette, my brow palette. And now I'm going to show you actually my two favorite mascaras. So Maybelline Colossal and Faces Canada's Magnetic Eyes mascara.
I'm going to use Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. This is the mascara and it's really nice. इसका bond बड़ा fluffy है.
So since my lashes are thinner, I prefer to deposit thinnest of the product, not much of the product. So I prefer using
Thin mascaras
yes,
जिनका वो कम होता है, right?
in their volume and then product is less, so I prefer using that mascara. So for mascara I need close-up mirror.
Me too. This is a really nice mascara. आइज में वॉल्यूम देखो कितना आ गया, क्योंकि स्मोकी आई करके ऐसा लगता है लैशेस छुप गए हैं, राइट?
So जो तुमने लगाया वो वैसे ही thicker and voluminous mascara है. जो मैंने लगाया which is like little more thinner but very natural finish चाहिए, then just go for look at the lift.
इंडिविजुअल एक एक बाल आपका ऐसे
yes ये ऐसे ही करता है. प्रॉपर सारी की सारी lashes के बैंड को ऐसे प्रॉपर evenly spread करता है and it opens up my
This
eyes.
is very underrated mascara. You know, people don't talk
People
about
don't
it.
know about this. Their magnetic eyes range. इनका काजल भी बहुत अच्छा stay करता है. It's really nice. nicer one. So I have this quick spot here of mascara. मैंने इधर मार दिया तो it's gone now.
सो अगर गलती से लग जाए मस्कारा, यूजुअली नोज पे लगता होता है यहाँ यहाँ
हाँ.
अंदर वाली साइड है ना.
हाँ, तो you can use your beauty blender for the same because उस पे इतना प्रोडक्ट लगा होता है आपका.
वो आई थिंक निकाल देता है उसको, राइट? क्लिक कर देता है.
Exactly. And I'm done with my makeup.
Same.
So I'm setting my face with my first favorite Forever 52 makeup fixer, which is actually not a watery thing, just like Matte Fix Plus, but it's very misty and very gentle on the face.
बड़ा
while you're-
even mist आता है.
Yes, it is actually dupe of Morphe setting spray.
I know.
So I would say just go for this one.
So I'm using Urban Decay's Quick Fix. Again, it's really good with skincare benefits, but जो Urban Decay के setting sprays हैं वो वैसे भी बड़े अच्छे माने जाते हैं आपके मेकअप को लास्ट लॉन्ग करने के लिए.
Makeup fixer, dupe of the Morphe one.
This is really nice. Also, I like the other one, All Nighter. Even
All
that's
Nighter is
really
really
nice.
good, really good.
nice.
But you know what? Since it has niacinamide in it, this one is really good for your
For me,
skin. Yes.
I am.
So I totally love it. So in the end, I generally, my preference is less over this watery kind of spray. So because क्योंकि कई बार किस टाइप का मेकअप किया होता है वो एकदम से उसको you know हिला ना दे टाइप
या स्पॉट्स ना छोड़ दे.
Yes, so थोड़ा मेकअप को सेट करने के बजाय थोड़ा टेम्परेरी ना कर दे. So that's why I prefer mist kind of sprays, or you can go for Morphe sprays. They are
Or
amazing.
even Urban Decay All Nighter is so good.
Yes.
That
Let me
helps
just
to-
now open my pony and let me show you my final hair color with the makeup look.
Showing the makeup or the hair color?
Yes, it's the same thing. People were crazy for my color. They really wanted to show me in this live session. So I have came up with this idea.
Right. Nice. Beautiful.
Now you see this. Even this keratin is done on it now. And look at the beautiful
That really
makeup.
made your hair look very healthy and all, na?
Yes. Now you see the difference with this affordable, luxurious cosmetics. Even if you can achieve that flawless, glowing makeup, it's like what should I say? It's just like a fake rumor or a rumor कि मैम बहुत ही high-end products ही बताते हैं. No, I always tell genuinely, and I always guide people at my store very genuinely as per their skin type. So we ask them first their budgets, then we ask them their skin type, and then we guide them what to choose and what not to choose. So some of them are having like good budget, then I mix and match national and international brands or affordable and luxurious and expensive brands को मैं mix करके उनकी kit बना देती हूँ. So the same way you can also do it by watching this video. And for this you will have to stay tuned to my live session and stay tuned to Tanu Didi's work because she only handled my YouTube thing. So thank you so much guys for staying live, and I hope you have loved our
live session
and to enjoy this live session. Can we turn on the comments for a bit?
Sure.
I'm turning on the comments now.
Any questions?
Oh,
Anything?
so much of the hearts. Thank you so much, guys. You can drop us a DM like how do you like our today's live session, and any query regarding today's session you can DM us again. Hi, Gudu. Something. Hello. So
You look amazing.
thank you. Affordable, luxurious cosmetic.
I love that lip color.
Yes, I
It's
totally.
beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, somebody sending new request. What lotion you used for dry skin?
That was Bioderma. दिखाना है क्या? That was Bioderma.
This is Bioderma Ultra Nourishing Cream, normal to dry sensitive skin. It helps to repair, soothe and protect. It's fragrance free, so it will not irritate your skin at all. Ma'am, please say my name. Why? उसे क्या मिल जाएगा?
So big thanks to all of you, those who have
Lovely
tuned in today,
eyeliner.
and thank you. Hawaii Pariyan to all of you.
है ना, so many Jafia and Pariyan.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, prettiest, pretty. Thank you so much for compliments,
And
everyone.
how do you like Tanu's makeover, quick
Yes.
makeover?
Right. Best vitamin C serum.
From Ordinary, just go for the Ordinary serums, and the Ordinary, it's an international brand, and they guys generally making amazing serums. And plus Pretty and Co, which is an Arabic brand from made in Dubai, I think.
Yeah.
है ना? They are made in Dubai, and Pretty and Co is again making amazing serums. So they have all the serums.
They have
from
Turkish
Lip Rumble.
orange something, and it's a vitamin C serum, and it's really good, and it smells amazing.
Both are amazing, gorgeous. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you guys again. And if you like this setup, do let us know in our DM,
Or
We'll
even the
be-
YouTube comments. Let us know.
Yes, let us know below the YouTube comments how do you like today's live session, and we'll be coming live nearby on Karwa Chauth or
Yeah.
what?
On Karwa Chauth, sure. Why not?
Karwa Chauth इतना बोल कहाँ सकते हैं?
Yeah,
इतना
ना?
नहीं, please not on Karwa Chauth. A day before the
A day
Karwa
before
Chauth,
or after.
we'll be teaching you the festive. We'll be coming
A
up
day
with the
before.
festive makeup look.
Yes,
You know?
good idea.
Yes. Let's do the another live session with the festive makeup.
Done. Perfect.
Done.
All right.
So I hope you enjoyed today's live session, and thank you so much guys once again for coming live, and for your lovely comments and for the lovely hearts. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, guys.